They really are cute. I didn't know that we had otters in the bayous either.
See?
Yeah.
You never know what a hurricane's going to dig up, you know?
I guess so. And they are cute. Okay, with the landfall of Hurricane Nicholas last night, the question was going around, when's the last time that Houston was hit by a really big hurricane? Remember, all the damage you're seeing from Nicholas last night, Nicholas was a low-end Category 1 hurricane. In the last 40 years, Houston has had 2 direct hits from 2 significant hurricanes. The last one was Ike. It came on shore as a Cat 2, but it had a Cat 4 surge. That was in 2008. And then Alicia back in 1983, that came on shore as a Category 3 hurricane, both doing significant damage and knocking power out for weeks. Winds peaked at 94 miles an hour, Matagorda Bay. That was the strongest wind gust we had with Nicholas. Inland, U of H downtown had a 63-mile-an-hour gust. Gusts like that are what knocked power out across the inland areas, more than 500,000 or almost 500,000. You can see how all the rain is now displaced to the east in Nicholas. This is causing a significant flash flood threat on the wet side, the right-hand side to motion of Nicholas tonight, and Louisiana is facing heavy rain, not just tonight, but for the next several days. And it was this that helped to displace the rainfall and really helped our rain totals stay at least manageable, Addison.
Absolutely so, David. That's why we saw some of those higher rainfall totals down towards the south and east and offshore. So radar estimates put over 13 inches, nearly 14 inches of rain in the Galveston area. Meanwhile, Deer Park seeing close to 10 inches of rain, Brazoria seeing over 7 inches, and even extreme southeastern Houston saw over 6 inches of rain. So we saw a lot of this rain coming on, and pretty much you can cut the metro area in half, right along down 59. South and east of that, you saw 6 to 12 inches of rain. Most of that was offshore. To the north and west, you saw about ½ an inch to 3 inches or so you didn't really see a whole lot of rain come on down. Reason why? Well, we talked about the upper level winds and how they were displacing the system and its tropical moisture as it was coming ashore. So let's go ahead and take the system, flip it down its side, raise those cloud tops up, and you can see right there displacing that top portion of the storm, exposing the core, and after that we saw all that moisture move on in, David, across Louisiana, where they are seeing the dirty side of the storm system. We're on the clean side instead.
It's interesting to see. We still had those 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 inch rain totals, but they were limited to the coastal areas, and so we didn't have that further inland because of those upper level winds. Here's what the storm is doing right now. It's a 35-mile-an-hour tropical depression nearing the Texas-Louisiana border. Unfortunately for Louisiana, it is forecast to sit across central Louisiana for the next several days through Friday. That is a significant flash flooding threat for Louisiana and Mississippi and Alabama. That dirty side of the storm is going to extend hundreds of miles off to the east. As far as we are concerned, going into tonight and tomorrow morning, the remnant circulation blows the rain to the east. Wet trip down I-10 to New Orleans. We may see a few little scattered showers tomorrow, but rain chance is only 20%, and really our conditions tomorrow improve on the drier side of the system while all that rain is sent down the Gulf Coast. Look at Florida, even Florida impacted by a weak tropical depression in Louisiana. Pretty nice out there right now. It's 73, northwest breeze at 9 miles an hour. There are a few pockets of little drizzle here and there. Pearland 74, Conroe 71. It really is turning into a nice evening for a walk. Here's the extended tomorrow. 87, we recover with a slight chance for a scattered shower, and then it's upper 80s to near 90, slight chance for a scattered shower as late summer weather continues as we head into the coming weekend, guys. Back to you.
Yeah, looking forward to tomorrow and an improvement with things. Thanks so much, Dave.